Hey guys, Donna Michelle here, and I am back with another YouTube video. Now on today's video, I am going to show you how I update my Christmas wreath that goes on my front door. Now, I mentioned in a previous video, I had a conversation with my best friend a few months back when I was getting ready to put up my fall wreath, and I was explaining to her how I hate having to buy a new wreath every year because, I mean, who wants to put up the same decorations? And she gave me the great idea to just buy picks and add them in. So just get different floral picks, add them in, and it gives your wreath a completely different look. So I thought that was an amazing idea. I don't know why I hadn't thought of that. And I tried it and it was perfect for the fall wreath, fall/Halloween/Thanksgiving. So now I'm getting ready to start working on Christmas decor, and I've had the same wreath for, I want to say 3 years for Christmas. So it's definitely due for some updates. So that will be the focus for today's video. But before we get into it, as always, if you are new to my channel, I'd like to say thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I focus on beauty, lifestyle, home decor, relationships, and a host of other things. If that sounds interesting to you and you like this video, I do hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on this journey with me. I also wanted to give you guys a quick update on the Christmas tree because I did finish decorating it. All right, we're gonna head out to the garage and get a look at the wreaths. Okay guys, so here are the wreaths. So this one is one that I made from scratch. This one is something that I kind of put up in between that awkward period, like between January and April when it's still kind of chilly outside. I love this wreath. R is for Ross, my last name. And then this is kind of a spring summer wreath that I put on the front door. Also made that one from scratch. Love it. This one is what I put on our back door. Also amazing. Last but not least is this. So this is the Christmas wreath. It's very small compared to the others, so that's why I'm gonna beef it up. It's beautiful, but again, I've had it for some years. So let's see if we can take this up a notch. So like I said, first things first, we're headed to Walmart. Let's see if we can get some picks. If we don't find anything at Walmart, we may have to take a trip up to Target or even Dollar Tree. I mean, it doesn't have to be expensive for it to be beautiful. So keep that in mind. Also, you can always buy a wreath like this and just decorate it yourself. So, like I was saying, it's always a good idea to also buy these type of wreaths and just decorate them yourself. That's also a possibility. I'm kind of debating it because these are rather affordable. It's only $4. I might. Let's see what we can come up with. For $4, you can't beat it. Oh, look, these are $2. I'll get these. So this is super cute. I'm not gonna get it, but this is just a perfect example of all the ways you can redo your wreath. I think I got what I need. Okay guys, so I'm back from Walmart and I'm gonna give you guys a little glimpse of what I bought. You're actually in luck because I am going to actually make 2 wreaths as well, or decorate 2 wreaths as well. So I'm gonna add to the one that I have, and I'm going to make 2 wreaths for my mother-in-law and my grandmother-in-law. Okay guys, so I know this looks like a lot and a jumbled mess. So what I'm going to do is just set my designs for each of the wreaths, and then we will go from there. So just hang tight with me, we'll get it sorted out. So the first wreath, I'm doing these in no particular order, so whoever likes what can choose whichever wreath they want. So I'm just gonna start with the one on the far end just because there is less stuff there. And I just start to lay it out. So basically my design idea. So the first thing I'm gonna do is fluff out the wreath. Just pull, see if you can add a little bit more volume, a little bit more height. So with this wreath, I thought it'd be fun to do something a little bit more whimsical. So I want to add this first because this is the focal point. And then how I move around from this is I basically start with the different picks and I lay them out first around the wreath, and then I decide how I want to style them. And this is all how you want it. So don't feel pressured to do it in any specific way. Just do it the way you want, what your vision is. So we all have different visions. So just go with the flow, girl. Are you guys already preparing for the holidays, or are y'all last minute? Does COVID have y'all feeling away, or are you guys motivated? Y'all drop in the comments below and let me know where y'all stand on everything. And again, I am just sticking things in the different grooves like that. Nothing too crazy. And that'll be the first wreath, guys. Nothing major, quick and easy. You just stick in there, make sure it's secure. Again, I would always go in with some hot glue, but I love it. Okay guys, so just that quick, we're on to wreath number 2. Now I'm gonna use this as the focal piece, and this was together, but I just split it in half, okay, with scissors. And then we're just gonna really tie this around and secure it. So that our bells are in the center. Now, because the bells are there and in the center, if we don't want to do a whole bunch. So this one, similar, we're gonna go around in circles, add a few things, and that'll be it. Now, mind you, I'm not done with either. I am still adding bulbs. So just hang on in here while I get all of this done. Okay guys, so now I am adding bulbs. So literally just hooking them on, and then I'm just securing them, like twisting them. Do that however you see fit. Just wanted it secure. And then just find any spot that you might think it looks good and hang it. Okay guys, this is the last of the wreaths. I didn't record me really adding anything in there because honestly, it looks pretty similar to how it was before. However, it's just fuller. So all the picks I bought, and I did that intentionally because I did want it to look cohesive. So all the picks that I bought that you'll see in here, they almost look as if they came with the original wreath. The biggest difference you will see is the bow. So I took off the original bow because it's just old and rather small, and I added on this bow. So that's the main difference. And then we've got a little bit more fullness. So last thing I'm gonna do for this one is add in a few of the bulbs, and then this one will be done.